Greeting, this is Mark Boat. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a photo and put it in the middle of this paragraph here. Yes, in the middle of this paragraph. Sometimes you open a book and sometimes you see the photo in the middle and you wonder how to get it. I'll be guiding you through that particular process. So the first thing you want to do is go up to the top of the screen where you see these tab, like the design, the home and the insert. I'm going to click on the word insert. When I click on insert, you notice it says online, so you can get picture online. And this will take you to the desktop. So when I click on word picture, notice it takes me here to the desktop. I'm going to scroll up. Right, I'm going to look for a picture and actually put it there. Alright, so I'm going to select this one. And when I select it, you notice the highlight. I'm going to come right here, you see insert and cancel. I'm going to click on insert. Alright, you notice it come up big on the page, cover everything. Alright, what you want it to do is you notice it come up at the top of the screen, you see arrange. Right, you can click right here and wrap text it. Or you can actually right click on it and come right to wrap text. But what notice is a line, square, tight, through, top and bottom, behind text. But what we want to focus on is the word tight. You're going to click on the word tight. When you finish, you're going to put the cursor. Notice how the cursor turn at these end. You're going to put it at the end, hold on the left side. If it's a laptop you're using, hold on the left side of the touchpad. And if you're using a desktop, hold on the left side of the mouse. You're going to drag it in like this. Right? Then you put the cursor upon it like this. It can become a star. Hold on the left side, you're going to drag it up like that. You're going to size it in some more. Alright, good. Notice the size it in some more. Notice inside there. Alright, so you can come up here. You can use some of these format here. You can come right here. And if I put it on this one, you notice what the picture look like here. If I come like that, picture looking good so far. I turn it this way, right, like that. If I come like that, you notice exactly how it look like, and I can actually shift it some more. I can actually carry it in some more, just like that. So whenever time I tell you open my book, you see photo in the middle. This is exactly how them actually did. So if you have learned something from this particular video here, remember to share it. Write a comment on how the video will help and give it a thumbs up. Right, and remember to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.